हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Heard Shri Shashi Nandan, Senior Advocate assisted by Shri Balendra Deo Mishra, Learned Counsel for the Petitioners, Learned Standing Counsel for the Respondent numbers 2 and 3 and Shri Neeraj Dubey, Learned Counsel for the Respondent number 4 full stop none appears on behalf of the Respondent number 1 full stop para. Pleadings between the parties have been exchanged, and with the consent of the learned counsel for the parties, we are disposing of this writ petition finally at the admission stage in accordance with the High Court rules full stop para. The facts of this case may be started briefly here in below colon para. The petitioners in writ C number 22248 of 2019 claim themselves to be the recorded owners of following plots full stop para. The plots of the aforesaid petitioners, which are situated in villages Kakora, Nauraiya, Kairati and Kasia, Tehsil Sirathu, District Kaushambi, were required by the respondents for the purpose of widening National Highway Road in Chakeri, Allahabad section full stop. Awards were made under section 3G in bracket 1 of National Highways Act, 1956 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act bracket out by the competent authority on 18/1/2018 in bracket in writ C numbers 22248 of 2019 and 19215 of 2019 bracket out on 24/2017 in bracket in writ C number 25323 of 2019 bracket out and on 2010/2017 in bracket in writ C number 23046 of 2019 bracket out, granting compensation to the petitioners in lieu of acquisition of their land at the rate of rupees 5500 per square meter full stop. There is nothing on record indicating that the award passed by the competent authority under section 3G in bracket 1 of the Act was challenged by the respondents by filing any application before the arbitrator under section 3G in bracket 5 of the Act full stop. However, a fresh award was made by the competent authority under section 3G in bracket 1 of the Act on 15/5/2018 annexure 5 to writ C number 25323 of 2019, annexure 6 to writ C numbers 22248 of 2019 and 23046 of 2019 and annexure 9 to writ C number 19215 of 2019, by which the competent authority reviewed its original awards and granted compensation at the rate of rupees 60 lakh per hectare or rupees 780 per square meter full stop para. It is contended by Shri Shashi Nandan, Senior Advocate, appearing for the petitioners, that there being no power of review conferred upon the competent authority under the Act, the fresh award passed by the competent authority by which the rate of compensation was reduced from rupees 5500 per square meter to rupees 780 per square meter is wholly without jurisdiction and cannot be sustained full stop. He further submitted that section 33 of Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act of 2013, limited provisions whereof relating to determination of the compensation have been made applicable to the proceedings under the Act, empowers the collector to correct any clerical or arithmetical mistakes in awards or errors arising therein, either on his own motion or on the application of any person interested or local authority full stop para. In support of the aforesaid contention, Shri Shashi Nandan, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, has placed reliance upon Naresh Kumar and others versus Government in bracket NCT of Delhi, 2019 9 SCC 416 full stop. हो गया दोस्तों, ये सब डिक्टेशन 120 की स्पीड में, करेक्ट 120 की स्पीड में, ठीक है। बीच में कॉमा वगैरह, ब्रैकेट वगैरह, डेट्स ज़्यादा आई हैं, नाम भी आए हैं, इसलिए स्पीड आपको ज़्यादा लगेगी, लेकिन ये एक्यूरेट 120 की है। मैं कोशिश ये करता हूँ कि स्पीड हमेशा ज़्यादा रहे डिक्टेशन की, क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा स्पीड में आप लिखोगे, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि 140 की स्पीड में लिखिए, मतलब 120 का डिक्टेशन है तो कम से कम 130 की प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए ताकि एग्ज़ाम में आपको हल्का फील हो, ठीक है। तो दोस्तों डिक्टेशन पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर और कमेंट करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। अगर चैनल में नए हो तो भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा ताकि टाइम टू टाइम डिक्टेशंस मिलती रहें आपको। ओके, और कमेंट्स में बताइएगा क्या कुछ नया कर सकते हैं, मैं तैयार हूँ करने के लिए। चलिए डिक्टेशन शुरू करने वाला हूँ क्रिमिनल की। 4 सेकंड बचा हुआ है, ठीक है। स्टार्ट। This application under section 482 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 has been filed by the applicants Salim Khan, Aleem Khan, Rizwan Khan, Kamer Khan and Majhar Alam with a prayer for quashing of the complaint and the impugned summoning order dated 4/9/2019, passed by civil judge in bracket junior division bracket out / Judicial Magistrate Hasanpur District Amroha in complaint case number 456 of 2019 under sections 354A, 323 and 506 of IPC Police Station Hasanpur District Amroha full stop para. Learned counsel for applicants argued that the applicants had given their house for residence for a limited period to Saira, present complainant, who did not vacate it. Rather, a civil suit was filed by her which is pending full stop para. Thereafter, a non-cognizable report was got lodged wherein proceedings was subsequently stayed by this court in a proceeding under section 482 of CRPC. Thereafter, this false complaint with false accusation has been got filed wherein impugned summoning order has been passed, but no such occurrence ever occurred and it was misuse of process of law full stop. Hence, for avoiding abuse of process of law and for securing ends of justice, this application under section 482 of CRPC has been filed with above prayer full stop para. Learned AGA representing state of UP has vehemently opposed this application full stop para. Previous litigation in between the parties may be a malice for filing present criminal complaint or may be a cause for occurrence, but all these are questions of fact to be seen by the trial court during course of trial, and this court in exercise of inherent power under section 482 of CRPC is not expected to embark upon such factual aspects full stop para. From very perusal of the complaint, it is apparent that occurrence dated 3/5/2019 at about 6 p.m. has been said by the complainant in her statement recorded under section 200 of CRPC, which was in reiteration of contention of complainant full stop. Same has been said by the witnesses Hasan Khan and Taira, who were examined under section 202 of CRPC in the inquiry made by the magistrate full stop. It has been said that on 3rd May, 2019 at about 6 p.m. when the complainant was present at her residence, accused persons Salim Khan, Aleem Khan, Rizwan Khan, Kamar Khan and Majhar Alam came in her house, and as there was a previous litigation in between them, they asked to enter into a compromise which was not conceded by her full stop. Then they did assault upon her full stop. Hence, impugned summoning order is there on the basis of evidence collected by the magistrate during his inquiry full stop. Accordingly, this application lacks merits and is liable to be dismissed full stop para. Apex Court in State of Andhra Pradesh versus Gauri Shetty Mahesh as propounded that while exercising jurisdiction under section 482 of the code, the High Court would not ordinarily embark upon an inquiry whether the evidence in question is reliable or not, or whether on a reasonable apprehension of it accusation would not be sustained full stop. That is the function of the trial judge / court full stop in another subsequent judgment in the case of Hamida full stop over. ठीक है दोस्तों, डिक्टेशन ये क्रिमिनल हो गया, तो अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलते हैं, ठीक है।